Hello guys, today we will learn how to create custom object and custom fields in Salesforce. So to create a custom object, we will first go to setup. So we will click on object manager. So these are list of all objects in our org. So to create new object, we will click on create custom object. So let's create a custom object named as student. So for label, I'm having student. So as you can see, the object name is student. So for now, we will leave other options as it is. We will click on save. And here we have our object, custom object created. This is the API name, student under double underscore C. So every custom object have this its name, its API name. So now let's create a custom field for this object. So to create a custom field, we will click on fields and relationships. So as you can see, when we create a new custom object, we already have some fields. These are standard fields. So the fields we will create now are known as custom field. Click on new, and so first of all, let's create a field called roll number, because our object name is student, so we want to have a roll number for our student. So we can select type, which type of field do we want, checkbox, date, whatever we want. So we will select number, click on next. So field label, we will type roll number. We can give length to our field. Let's give it 12. We don't want any decimal number in our row number, so we will leave it as 0. So we can give a description. So we can also make the field required or unique, or we can set it as external ID. So let's make it unique so that two student records cannot have the same row number. Click on next. So from here we can give field access to whichever profiles we want. So for now, let's keep to all profiles. We can also make it read only, but currently we are not. So we have given access to all profiles. Click on next. So we want to include the field in the student layout. We'll click on save. So our field has been created now. You can see roll number. So this is the API name of the field, roll number double underscore C. So now let's create another custom field. Click on new. So this time we will create a field known as course. The course a student is opting for. So we can make it text or pick list. Let's create a pick list field. So pick list field is basically a set of values where from which we can select one values or multiple. Name I'm typing course. Click on enter values, and now we can enter whatever values we want. I've given two values, engineering and MBA. So we will write the description. Click on next. So again we will give access to all the profiles. So all the profiles can have access to this course field. Click on next. And we also want this field to be included in the layout. You click on save. So now we have created two new custom fields. You can see row number and course. So this way we can create custom fields in any object, and we can also create any custom object of your desired name, like we have created here student, and two new fields, row number and course. Thank you.